Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log in to Wish Affiliates. To log into your Wish Affiliates, go ahead and visit the Wish Affiliates website. To do so, first of all, open your web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in merchant.wish.com and search. Now, once you get to this page for Wish Merchant, go to the upper right hand corner and click on Login. Enter your email address or your username associated with your Wish Merchant account in the first text box. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Finally, click on Login to log into your Wish Affiliates account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.